Okay guys, so today, welcome to the next episode of Marble Run 2D Racing. So here's another track here. You can see these are like the zigzag tracks. And we can see Melon Playground characters. So let's go. Okay, we can see Melon here. Okay, Corn is actually second place here. I also see Robot here coming over to Apple. Okay, Melon starts to fall down some with the zigzag. There goes. Oh yeah, they fall from some with the zigzag. And Corn actually wins. Corn just takes the lead and just wins. You can see Melon on second place, Pumpkin on third place, Robot on fourth place, and Apple on last.